Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess, and today we are going to be doing a PR / makeup and other goodies type of haul. So stay tuned if you want to see this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Becca. Becca was kind enough to gift me with their backlight priming filter as well as their ultimate coverage foundation, which is a 24-hour foundation. And I have tried one version of this, but this is a whole different packaging, so I was thinking maybe it was different. So let's get into what it looks like. So I'm gonna start with the backlight priming filter because I have never tried this. So this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love Becca, so I cannot wait to try this out. This one is more like a nude beige color, and it feels like a lightweight lotion, and it looks like it's gonna leave like a little cast of like a glow. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's kind of like leaving like a glowy cast. So this will probably make your skin look amazing with foundation on. So I can't wait to try that out. So next up is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and the color Walnut, and Walnut is definitely not my color. It is so orange. I'm so mad because I thought I just picked the right one, but I'm just gonna apply it right here, just a little dot, and then I'm gonna smear it out because this is thick. A little pump is supposed to do your whole entire face, and I do believe that to be true because this was not even a full pump, and look how much it blended out. And I can literally just keep blending and blending, but as you can see, it is way too orange for me, so I can't even try this out if I wanted to. But I would definitely like to get a different color in this foundation to try out because I think this will be a really nice foundation. Morphe was kind enough to give me multiple things. Okay, so we're gonna start with the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Social Butterfly Artistry palette, and again, this is from Morphe. This is the 1.5S version. Okay, and this is what the palette looks like. Very sleek, to the point, black, Morphe written in white. It does have a mirror at the top, and it does have pops of color. Okay, and it did come like a little bit shattered, but not too much. But these are the colors in this palette, and I think it is so pretty. And the reason why I picked out this one is because it is unique to my collection. Like, I have only one other palette that has like a few pinks in it and blues, but I thought this was really pretty, and I thought it would be really nice to add to my collection. I'm loving this color, Later Gram. Like, this is so, oh, well, that's actually a little lighter than I thought it was. It looks burnt orange kind of in the pan, but when you put it on, it's kind of like a nudie peach color. These are the first two colors, and they look way lighter swatch than they look in the pan. It just seems like it probably doesn't swatch the best, but it probably applies a little bit better. But those are the two other swatches. I know I'm giving horrible swatches right now, but I actually wasn't going to do any swatches in this video, so that's why. Well, I can't wait to try this palette out. I think it looks really pretty. So the next thing I have is this All I Want 6 brush set, and it is eye brushes. So it comes with a taper crease brush, a line definer brush, a firm blender brush, a small chisel brush, a smudge brush, a double-sided angle brush, plus a spoolie, and lastly it comes with a small glitzy bag, and this is the bag. Okay, so the bag is really cute that the brushes come in, and it's roomy. So if you wanted to put some stuff in here, you definitely could do so. Okay, and then the brush that comes in here. I love Morphe brushes. Like, oh my god, some of my everyday brushes are from Morphe. Very affordable, but great quality. And I'm not affiliated with Morphe at all. Like, not even a little bit. But I absolutely love their brushes. So this is what the brush set looks like, and as you can see, they're pretty much all for your eyes. But like I said, I love Morphe brushes, and they feel really nice. I'm gonna wash them, and I'm definitely gonna start using these. And lastly, from Morphe, I got the 8C Cool Pro 8 Shades for Keeping You Cool palette, and these are different. I've never tried their blushes, so I'm super duper excited. But again, it's that matte black polished look, and I think this is so freaking gorgeous. Sometimes I like a blush that has a little bit of shimmer. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. These two right here, well, these three right here, I could see myself dipping for 24/7. So here and there I do like reviews for accessories that I get for my phone, and a company reached out to me by the name of phone loops. And what a phone loop is basically like a strap that you could put on your phone case. It goes through your phone case and it makes it very, very easy for you to just hold your phone in place. So let's say you're doing a video, you know, it's very easy. Okay, so I love this. It's very handy so you don't drop your phone. I know that a lot of people are using pop sockets, but I really like the idea of this. And don't think that you have to get black because they have so many different options. So I got black in 3 different colors because at the time I had a black phone. Okay, so I got the black leather strap. They have different options. And then I got the black satin, and this one says getting shit done, and it's black satin as well. This one says I love Christmas, and it's green and white. Add some reindeers on there as well as hearts and a Christmas tree, so that would have been cute for Christmas. This one is nice for the 4th of July, or if you have like a blue phone case. It's blue and white. It's just blue, royal blue with white stars on it. And this one is green with designs on it as well. So they have a lot of options. So if you want to pick one of these up, again, there are going to be different options on the site that you could choose from. You don't have to get any of the ones I got. So check out Phone Loops. I'm gonna have it linked down in the bottom bar. Okay, so this is the last product, and this is actually a favorite of mine, which is Boxycharm. Recently, Boxycharm came out with a new thing called Boxy Luxe. You have to be subscribed to Boxycharm in order to be able to subscribe to Boxy Luxe, okay? So Boxy Luxe is the bigger Boxycharm box that they send to you quarterly, which is once every 3 months. So you get it during the different 4 seasons, okay? So you get it 4 times a year. So you're gonna get it in the spring, the summer, the fall, as well as the winter. So this is the, I don't know, I think this is the winter box, okay? Not sure how they do it this before or after, but I think this is the winter box. And you basically only pay $28 and you get over $350 worth of products. And when I say this is the best subscription box I have ever gotten in my entire life, I literally mean it. And I've been subscribed to Boxycharm as well as Ipsy for years. I think probably like 5 years now. I've been like going back and forth with Boxycharm and Ipsy, but I think Boxycharm just has been very reliable. Every single month they give you great products, and they're all full size, okay? And I have never been like, oh, this is trash. Like every single box has amazing products. So let's get into what's in this box, because it was definitely like, whoa, okay? I was so happy with this box, I almost cried. So the first thing they gave you was the Violet Voss My Holy Grail palette. So I actually have this already, but this is kind of like the revamped packaging. I love the holographic thing in the back, and it comes with a huge mirror. But these are the colors if you're somebody who is looking for a complete holy grail type of palette. This is for you. It was just missing a chocolatey brown, like a medium tone brown, and I think this would have been excellent because I do have to always go in with my favorite brown shadow when I use this. But I was using this almost every single day since I got this box. That's why it looks like a little dirty, because I've been using it. Love this palette so much. If you are looking for a great palette that you are going to use literally every day, because it has all the colors you could think of for like a neutral eye, something you wear every day. This would be the perfect palette. They gave me this Glam AF, which is Glamis Fuck. This is like a little makeup bag. I thought this was really cute, little clutch. Inside of it is this little charger, portable charger, and it says Crimes of Beauty. I love, love, love that they included a charger. It's so freaking unique, and it's so girly, like, and it's flat. It has the little USB, not too big. It'll fit great in my bag, or you could put it in here and put that in your bag. I think that's cute. So I did put 2 of the products in here just because I was trying to get rid of the packaging. So they included a Lorac Los Angeles Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. I'm sorry. And I guess it has mascaras on both sides. One is blue like a primer and the other side is black. So this is the primer side and this is the actual mascara side. Okay, I have not tried it out, but I love that they included a mascara. They also included the Tarte Tarteist lip paint in the color Flaming Hot, which is a very pretty pinky golden color. It has like that rose gold kind of tone to it, very pretty and glittery. They also included a product from Elemis. This retails for almost $95, so that is amazing, and I stand behind Elemis skincare. They have amazing skincare. I actually told y'all about it before, so if you haven't tried out anything from Elemis, I would highly recommend it. But this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and I do use this regularly. Very, very good on the skin, very moisturizing, and their products are just amazing. It also included a Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn palette. It has a little mirror up here, and these are like the blushes slash highlighters. I love this thing, so freaking pretty. I can't wait to try it out. I haven't tried it out yet. I was trying to do this video before I start using all the products. They included this product, which is like it's a sponge, but it actually has product in the sponge, so when you get in the shower it lathers up without you having to apply product. I thought this was something that was so unique. I've never heard of anything like this, so I can't wait to try this out. I usually don't use like loofahs and sponges because they're really harsh on the skin, and look, TMI, but I ripped my nipple using a loofah. So I have never used a loofah since that day. It was the most painful experience I have ever went through in my 34 years of life. Okay. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. This seems a little bit hard right now, but I know once the water hits it, it will be you know, it will soften up. So I'm gonna try this out. It also included this Luxy complete face set, and these are brushes. I don't know if you've ever heard of Luxy, but I have did reviews on Luxy before, and their products freaking amazing. They are a bomb ass brand if you're looking for some great makeup brushes. They are a little bit pricey, but worth every single penny, I promise you. They always have really, really pretty colors as far as their makeup brushes, and they're very, very sturdy, and it comes packed with hair. So this one comes with a round top blender brush. It comes with a tapered highlighting brush. It comes with a Pro Precision brush, a tapered blending brush, an eye shading brush, a flat definer brush, a brow and lash spoolie, as well as a lip brush. Okay, and this is a cruelty-free company, just in case you're into that. I mean, it's always good to have a cruelty-free company. So yeah, try this out. Promise you, you're going to absolutely fall in love with Luxy. Last but not least, I thought this was the cutest thing. They included this little pouch that comes with the smallest little flat iron. This flat iron is great if you have like really short hair, like if you have like a short hairstyle and you want to get to those roots and get, you know, precise and do some like really small curls. This is great for that, as well as if you have like, you know, some baby hairs you want to get to, because the big flat iron, it doesn't always get to the roots, but you can get to the roots with these little ones. So I love that they included that. So that was it for this whole entire Boxycharm unboxing, as well as this video of PR and just makeup and things that I bought. I know it's super duper random, but I definitely wanted to do something outside of, you know, hair, because I miss these type of videos. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I will have every single thing linked out in the bottom bar. I thank y'all so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.